What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I spent about 4 days at this clear lake, and it was raining a lot, and I got a few chances to go out. This is a few of the moments from that trip. Hope you enjoy. Nice fish. Crush that spook. That was awesome. Nice bass. Alright, see you later. Woo, he hit that hard. That was awesome. Hit it that time. Little guy. It's a Kentucky, I think. Yeah, it's a Kentucky. Yep. Kentucky. Kentucky. I had caught one bass on a spook and one on a Damiki rig up until this point. Decided to throw
he's on it.
Glide bait.
He's on it.
A lot of chasers, but nothing would really connect.
Come on. Get up here. Eat that thing. Dang it, man. Oh, he's on it. He's on it. Little smallmouth.
Changed sides and switched up to a drop shot rig and was able to find this guy.
It's a big one. Shoot. Golly. That's a big one, guys. See you later.
Found this fish in 20 foot of water, also on a drop shot.
Yes. I caught a smallie. Come here, buddy. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. You're just chilling down at the bottom, huh? Way down there. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. He's not a big one, but look how pretty he is. Caught him on a drop shot. Super pumped. I think there's like 2 or 3 of them down there, but such a pretty fish. See you later. Back to the depths with you.
I decided to go at night, and this is where things really got heated up. Understood. Come here.
Oh, it's a smallie. No way. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Look at that. Freaking sweet. Alright, he's bleeding a little bit. We're gonna get him back in there. And he's back. Let's go. Oh, this is a good one. There we go, people. Ooh, goodness. There we go. Freaking nice fish. Making sure y'all can see all that. There we go. See you later, buddy. Go.
I hooked on to a decent one here. But fishing's fishing.
Feels better. Oh no, he came off. Dang. Yeah. Let's go. There we go. Got him. Let's go. Little guy. Little Kentucky, I believe. Doesn't look like a, well, it kind of looks like a spot. I think it's a Kentucky. See you later, little guy. I don't know, it might be a bass. Have to find out. It's going right to him. Yep, it's a fish. Let's go. Chill out a second, man. A little bit bigger. He's been caught before. See you later, little buddy. Alright.
So guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you enjoyed some of this clear water, big, deep lake fishing, be sure and leave a like and a comment, and I'll be sure and make my trips up there and try to catch me some more smallmouth and whatever else will bite. Have a good one.